Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Be Fit. Whether this is your first time or you've been joining for ages, I'm so glad you're here. Today's video is going to be our deepest, most immersive guide yet, helping you eat healthier, lose weight sustainably, and turn meal prepping into a habit that truly sticks, even if life is hectic or you're tackling specific health challenges like diabetes. You're about to learn everything you need: simple tools, step-by-step recipes, smarter shopping habits, scientific insight, motivational stories, and lots of practical ways to make healthy living your reality. If at any point a tip stands out, drop a comment right away. Your perspective helps others, and the whole community learns together. Let's start by talking about how transformative meal prepping is. Most people underestimate the relief and empowerment that comes from taking charge of meals before the week starts. A little planning on the weekend erases daily stress, keeps you from grabbing last-minute junk food, and means evenings become less about what's for dinner and more about time with family, exercise, or relaxation. I know firsthand the difference this makes. For years, my days started with coffee and ended with unhealthy snacks. I always felt off balance. I'd skip breakfast, run low on energy, and found myself at the drive-thru or scavenging for whatever was quickest. Once I committed to prepping healthy meals, not only did my energy stabilize, but I also saved time and money and actually began looking forward to meals again. With a little structure, mornings aren't rushed, afternoons are focused, and evenings are satisfying, delicious, and healthy. And you don't need fancy equipment or gourmet skills to get started. All you really need is a set of containers for storage, a sharp knife and cutting board, a kitchen pan and pot, and a simple grocery list. If you love having extras like a blender, scale, or spice rack, fantastic, but the basics are plenty. Take 5 minutes to clear a workspace and set everything out. If I'm prepping multiple meals, I pre-label my containers for each day: Monday breakfast, Tuesday lunch, and so on. It helps me see exactly what I have ready. Now let's get into what to cook. The heart of healthy meal prepping is balance. Whether it's for fitness, weight loss, supporting diabetes, or just feeling better, the key is smart carbohydrates, lean and plant-based proteins, loads of different veggies, and healthy fats. When you prep foods that are filling yet easy on blood sugar, cravings drop and your energy stays steady. Instead of grabbing sugar cereal, switching to overnight oats with berries, seeds, and plant milk is a game changer. For lunch, build bowls with grilled chicken or tofu, brown rice, and roasted vegetables. Beans and lentils are powerhouses: filling, cheap, delicious, and perfect for batch cooking. Try new things and notice how different recipes make you feel. If diabetes is in your life, pay attention to how meals affect your body and embrace variety. Shopping smart is just as important as cooking smart. There's a myth that healthy food always costs more. With planning, it's completely untrue. My average shop is under $40 a week and includes everything needed. Start by writing your meal plan and shopping list ahead of time. Stick to it at the store. Look for sales and deals on lean proteins: chicken, turkey, or try plant-based like lentils for a swap. Frozen vegetables are excellent when fresh are expensive. They last longer and often have just as many nutrients. Head to the bulk bins for grains, oats, and beans. They're much cheaper than prepackaged. Avoid processed and ready-made foods. Not only do they cost more, but they rarely support your goals. Take advantage of coupons and discount apps if you find them. Visit local markets for produce that's in season. It's fresher, tastier, and usually more affordable. The World Foods aisle is a secret weapon for cheap staples: spices, beans, rice, and more. Let's get into an actual meal prep session. Here's my routine for starting the week strong. On Sunday, I spend 60 to 90 minutes prepping breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks. For breakfast, overnight oats are super quick. Combine rolled oats, chia seeds, mixed berries, and milk in containers and refrigerate. You can vary these each day by switching up fruit or adding nuts. For lunch, grill chicken breast or marinate tofu, make a pot of brown rice or quinoa, and roast your favorite vegetables: carrots, peppers, broccoli, zucchini. Lay everything out and portion into containers for each day. Dinners rotate between turkey chili, ground turkey, black beans, tomatoes, peppers, salmon and veggie bake, or hearty salads with beans, seeds, and greens. Snacks are essential. Keep them healthy and ready. Pre-portioned mixed nuts, seed bars, Greek yogurt with fruit, carrot sticks, or apples with nut butter. When healthy options are always available, you're less tempted by granola bars, chips, or sweets. Keep a snack container in your bag for work, school, or travel. Consistency beats willpower every time. To keep habits strong, I batch cook on Sundays, label everything, and freeze leftovers that won't be eaten in 3 days. The freezer is your ally against waste and running out of meals. If you get bored of your regular routine, rotate different meals each week. Try new vegetables, swap proteins, mix sauces and dressings, or switch meals around. Cooking with family, housemates, or friends makes prepping more fun, creates accountability, and teaches everyone something new. What if you're short on time some weeks? That's normal. You can always split tasks. Prep grains and proteins on Sunday, chop veggies and assemble snacks on Monday, and so on. If you slip up or get off track, don't sweat it. Just start fresh next week. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Building routines with small steps is the secret. Healthy habits like choosing fruit for dessert, making water your main drink, and prepping lunches instead of buying out add up quickly. Reward yourself for sticking with changes, even something simple like a walk in the park or your favorite playlist. Let's talk science for a minute. Studies consistently show meal prepping leads to better nutrition, more balanced meals, and fewer calories from sugar and saturated fat. People who prep meals are less likely to skip breakfast or rely on convenient processed foods, and are more likely to reach weight loss or fitness goals. Diabetic viewers find that prepping meals ahead helps keep blood sugar stable and energy high. If you want more deep dives into the science, let me know in the comments. I can bring guests or share research summaries. Meal prepping isn't just for you. It helps everyone around you too. By cooking meals together, teaching kids or friends how to plan healthy choices, or sharing recipes with neighbors, you build a positive community. Encouragement matters. Tell your story in the comments and read what others post. You'll find real-life inspiration and support. For motivation and accountability, set up a group chat with friends who want to get healthier with you. Share progress, swap recipes, talk about challenges, and celebrate wins every week. Every good habit starts small. One meal, one recipe, one day at a time. Over weeks and months, it becomes second nature. Remember to track your journey. Journal how you feel each day or week. Energy, mood, cravings, sleep, and fitness. Keep meal photos or recipe notes to look back on your progress. Celebrate milestones, big or small. At the end of this video, I'll share some awesome success stories from viewers who started meal prepping and saw changes in their health, weight, energy, and confidence. You can vote for next week's topic, so the channel keeps helping you with exactly what you need. Drop your votes below. You now have all the essentials: recipes, shopping plans, strategies, encouragement, and a community. If you're ready to start, please hit like and subscribe, grab the free meal plan and prep guide below, and let me know what your biggest challenge is. I tackle the top ones in every video, and we support each other every step of the way. Stick around, join the conversation, and post your questions and progress. How to Be Fit is here for you. Together, we're building healthy, joyful lives. Every small step you take today lays a foundation for your future. You absolutely can do this. One meal, one day, one choice at a time.